How do you look at these images and want Miss Rachel to say anything else? Somebody who loves children, who has dedicated her life to children, when they are starving the children, what is she supposed to say?
So the most common argument goes, she should stay in her lane.
Everybody feels they have to get on the activist bandwagon now. Miss Rachel, you don't know anything about the Middle East, the Middle East, the Middle East.
If you are silent, you are complicit. Listen to me, Hollywood. If you are silent, you are complicit. What you say now is what you would have said in the 1930s and 40s when it was Mustache Man.